Hi, welcome to another episode of If You Only Have One Crystal. This series is about short videos specific to a crystal. It's for everybody, whether you have started your crystal collection or got that piece from someone or whatever the reason it appeared into your life. If you don't know much about the crystal, in this short video, I'll give you a couple of recommendations on how to make the most of it. Hi, this is Eliana from Everyday Crystal Magic, and welcome to If You Only Have One Crystal, and that crystal is Labradorite. The biggest thing is it helps you expand your aura. That is important because when your energy field is strong and healthy, you're living your purpose, and everything you touch and interact with all will be for your greater good. If you're a healer or what you do for a living takes you to places you don't know or you're not familiar with, or if you're constantly in contact with strangers, this crystal maintains that personal space sacred. It makes a shield. So here are two ways to use Labradorite. The easiest is carrying your person or in contact with your energy field, like in jewelry or in a medicine bag, in your pocket, in your purse. There's beautiful jewelry made of Labradorite for both men and women you can carry all the time. One more thing, if you're experiencing psychic awakening or developing your abilities, add this crystal to your toolkit. If you're strongly attracted to Labradorite, you might explore healing modalities or later on shamanic journey. I'll leave you with that. So now that you know more about Labradorite, we have some homework. Let me know in the comment section below. Number one, what was your first crystal and how it came into your life? Or if it was Labradorite, I would like to hear from it. What have you done to learn more about it and how your relationship has evolved? Before you go, don't forget to check the videos and links below. If you like this video, share and subscribe. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.